Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ssl, and in today's video, I will talk to you about how to set up a mail server on CyberPanel. Previously, I made two videos. One on how to install CyberPanel on a VPS, and in the second video, I explained how to set up a website. This is the third video in the series, showing how we can set up an email server on CyberPanel. I'm currently logged into the CyberPanel dashboard. What you need to do here is look for email in the sidebar, then click on Create Email. You'll be using the domain that you can see here in the side panel. I'll show you. You need to go to the website listed here. I've created a website with this name, and I'll also show you by refreshing it. On this site, I have installed WordPress, as shown in the previous video. So from here, we're creating an email account. Go to Email and click on Create Email, then select the domain. Next, we set the username and password. We're using the same password we've been using throughout this series. Then we click. The email has been created. After this, we need to go back to Email and click on Access Webmail. Enter our username. And our password, then log in. After logging in, you'll see it's similar to cPanel, as it also has a panel of this type. Now what you need to do is set up SSL for this email as well. Click on SSL here and then click on Mail Server SSL. From here, select the domain again and click on Issue SSL. Let's install SSL on the mail server as well. It has been installed. After this, go to Email and list emails. Once there, select the domain. After selecting the domain, if you see an error, click on Fix Now. This will resolve any issues that might occur with Outlook or Thunderbird. You can add this to whichever email application you're using. After it's fixed, you can send mail from this webmail panel. I'll click on this and send a test email to my Gmail account. I'll add a title. The title is Test Development. This has been applied, and any errors have been fixed. Now I'll click on Send. It has been sent. I'll reload the page. I'll check in spam to see if it arrived there. Here, I received the email. You can see the subject is Security TLS. I've received all the details here. If you want to set this up in Outlook or any other email client, you can add it using the IMAP or POP3 settings. Now in this video, I'll show you how to add it to Gmail. So on this Gmail account, I'll set up the mail server. Go to Settings and click on See All Settings. Then click on Accounts and Import. There's an option to add another email address. Click on that, then enter the email address. This is my email address. Click Next. It's asking about POP3. Enter the username, which is the same as the email address. I've used the same password for all accounts in this demo. The port number for POP3 is 995. Use 995. Check the first two boxes and click on Add Account. If you see a POP3 access denied error, wait a moment. Click Add Account again, enter the password, and use port 995. If access is denied, double-check the username and password. Sometimes errors occur if there are extra spaces. Make sure to use port 995. After clicking Add Account, it will ask if you want to be able to send mail as this address. Click Next, then enter your email address again. Paste your email address, enter your password, and check the box for port 587. For the SMTP server, use your domain name. Then click Add Account. After this, your webmail will send a verification code. You'll see a message saying code sent successfully. You'll receive this code in your webmail. Enter the code here and click Verify. I'll explain the benefits of doing all this now. You can now send mail through this account. When you click on Compose, you'll see two options. Your Gmail address and your domain email address. You can send mail directly from Gmail using either account. I've selected it here. I'll open a demo email page. I'll write Hi as the subject and test content in the body, then click Send. I'm doing all this from my Gmail account. And I'll receive it in the webmail. Let's check by refreshing the page. Look, it has been received. I sent the mail from my domain email, even though I sent it through Gmail. When you reply to this, you'll receive the reply in both accounts. In this panel, you'll see all the messages. When I click Send, the message I sent here and the reply I sent now are both visible here, and you'll get the reply in Gmail as well. The reply will only show up here. I'll check. You can send through this account, and you can also set it as the default. This way, all emails sent will go through this domain. As soon as you set it as default, whenever you click Compose, any mail you send will go from this domain account, not your Gmail. I'm leaving my Gmail as the default for now, but you can use the domain email if you prefer. Whatever replies you receive will show up in both accounts. That's it. You can manage everything from here and do whatever you want with simple logins. If you can use the webmail panel, that's all there is to it in this video. There are already 2 previous videos in this series, so make sure to watch them as well. They cover the installation process and how to set up a website. Make sure to watch both of those videos. There are many videos related to email marketing on my channel, covering topics like Power MTA, webmail, postal, cPanel, etc. You can watch those videos too. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.